Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming parts and securing location. This matters for safety and speed. Once done, open the hardware bag and separate bolts screws, and mattress supports. You'll want the crib frame near a wall stud. Find it now with a stud finder and mark 2 anchor points at crib height. Make sure tools, Phillips, Allen key, small wrench are on hand. This prevents stops later. Begin assembling the base halves so you can attach the mattress support next. You now join the main frame pieces. Align side rails with head and foot panels. Hand thread the 6 connection screws to avoid cross-threading. Once aligned, lower the mattress support into its chosen height slot. This is essential for safety and future infant access. Secure the support with bolts and lock washers, tightening a little on each bolt in a crisscross pattern so the frame stays square. Make sure the mattress sits flat and has no gaps larger than 2 fingers between mattress and rail. You finish by attaching the front rail and ensuring the drop or fixed latch works smoothly. Operate it several times to confirm. Next, anchor the crib to the wall using the provided kit or 2. 5. Toggles into studs for tip-over prevention. Pull at a 45 degrees angle to test firmness. Inspect all fasteners, trim any plastic ties, and run your hand along edges for burrs. If the crib wobbles, recheck bolt torque and anchor placement. Red-eye-tin bolts and swap damaged hardware before use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.